How to fix cannot create page. You have created too many pages in short time. Facebook page creating problem. So if you want to fix your Facebook page creating problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook and take a screenshot of the problem. So if you're facing the problem which says too many pages in short time, Facebook page creating problem, then just take a screenshot of that problem. Once you've taken the screenshot, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Once you go with the 3-bar, now you just need to simply scroll down, go with help and support. Under help and support, you will have report a problem. Tap on report a problem and tap on continue to report a problem. And it will start creating a report page. So just wait for a few seconds. Once you're here, you just need to simply tap on don't include and then scroll down, and here you may find the pages option. Tap on pages and you need to describe the issue. So just simply write that I'm not being able to create a new page on my Facebook. It says this and this. And then you need to go with upload from phone, and you need to choose the photo or the screenshot that you've just taken and go with send report. And once you send your report, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.